Okay, I've had a chance to work on your laundry room and your closet. Laundry room's pretty easy. Suppose the only question I might have is, do you want these drawers, or do you want full height doors? That would eliminate this drawer, or maybe you want a combination of both. Let me know. But I guess a picture is 1,000 words. You can see what we have here. These are 30-inch deep cabinets. One thing to keep in mind is when you have a drawer and you have a 30-inch deep cabinet, they don't have hardware that goes 30 inches deep. So they'll use hardware for a 24-inch deep drawer base cabinet. Hopefully that makes sense. This would be a white painted cabinet, similar to the door style you have in the kitchen. And of course we would use the same kitchen countertop. I would want to find that in a remnant, however. I think my luck has been pretty good in doing that. Now, if we go to the closet, there's a lot more we can do here. We have adjustable shoe storage here. I don't know how many shoes you have, but well, sometimes people will have quite a few shoes. So this is about 18 inches, I believe. I might not get the measurements perfect, but these are about 30 inches wide. And what you have is a fixed shelf. I suppose you can use the top as a fixed shelf as well. And then you hang dresses. This is long hanging items right in this area here. You can see the pole right here that you would hang on. This is 14 inches deep. We have some more shoe storage. Multiple drawers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I get this in 6 drawers, and I think I can get it in 4 drawers. So it depends on what kind of storage you would like. Then in the corner, I have this. These are all fixed, I believe. Well, they could be adjustable. I have to check. These are all shelves, though, right here. See how it turns the corner. And we have the window. I didn't put anything where the window was. I think because I know you have a chair there, and I don't see what's wrong with that. Keeping the chair there. Then we don't have to worry about dealing with the heat. Unless you wanted some kind of drawer storage here, but I think at 14 inches deep the drawer wouldn't be of much value. We have double hanging storage here. More shoe storage, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers. Another corner cabinet. Double hanging. Double hanging. And this is kind of tucked in the corner. Looks like I've got more double hanging over in this corner here. And right here I've got double hanging by the looks. Now I haven't yet, but I could probably put something on this wall. But I have to be careful. I can't make it too wide because it would get in the way. This gap right here isn't, you're going to have to kind of shimmy your way into that gap in order to get to this double hanging closet module. So I have to be careful what I put on this wall. The other thing we could do is I could put an island here instead of putting anything on this wall. We could put some more drawer storage in the middle of the room because it looks like there's quite a bit of walking area around the room. So that is what I have designed so far for the laundry room, which you can see over here, and the closet. I'm trying to show you some more angles, if I can figure out how to maneuver this. There you go. You can see the double storage. You can see the corner cabinet. You can see the double storage here. Let me know if I'm on the right track. I'm more confident about the laundry room than the closet, but I think this closet setup would be pretty nice.